Did you know the Fair Housing Act protects individuals with disabilities? This means you can request accommodations, like having the date you pay rent changed at any time during your lease. This video will detail the steps to request a change in the day that you pay rent. For other accommodations, please watch the Reasonable Accommodations video at las.org/ERTC/self-help. The Fair Housing Act allows you to request a change in the day you pay rent if you have a disability and receive disability-related benefits like SSDI, VA benefits, or workers' comp. Sometimes the day you get those benefits and the day that rent is due do not match. For example, you may get your benefits check on the second Friday of every month, but your rent is always due on the first of the month. You're allowed to request the date of your payment of rent to be changed based around when you receive your benefits. If you do not receive any disability-related benefits, you will not be able to use this form to request your payment date to be changed. You can find the request for change of rent due date accommodation template at las.org/ERTC/self-help. When filling out the form, you will need to address the letter to your landlord. You will also need to put the address of the place you're renting from and the date of your request. Most of the form is already filled out for you. You do not need to change the form if you are only requesting a change in the date that you pay rent. You will need to put in the date that you are requesting to pay rent on. Note, whatever day you pick is still subject to any late fees or charges if you miss your payment date. If you have additional needs or accommodations, please watch the Reasonable Accommodations video at las.org/ERTC/self-help. Once filled out, send to your landlord via email or physical mail. You might be able to drop it off at a leasing office. Check your lease for where to send or submit this request. Once you have submitted your form, you need to wait 14 days to give your landlord a chance to respond to your request. If the 14 days has passed, please send your landlord a polite message regarding your request. It is important to still pay rent while you wait for a response. If you still do not get a reply from your landlord or have any other questions about your request, please call the Eviction Right to Counsel Program at 833-837-4663.